Imagine this, you wake up, it's eerily quiet, no traffic, no distant chatter, just an unsettling silence. You look outside, streets are empty, houses are dark, the world you knew is gone, vanished, you're alone. The initial shock is paralyzing, your heart races, your mind struggles to process the impossible. Denial sets in, this must be a dream, a prank, anything but reality. But the silence screams the truth, you are the last person on earth. Panic threatens to consume you. Fear whispers of the unknown, but deep down a primal instinct kicks in, survival. You have to survive, you need a plan. You need to assess your situation, find food, secure water, seek shelter. This is your reality now. The old rules no longer apply, it's you against the world. And to survive, you must become one with it. Adapt or perish, the choice is yours. Hunger gnaws at your stomach. Your body needs fuel. Your mind races, calculating how long you can survive without food. Panic sets in. You need to eat now. First, check your pantry. Every can, every crumb counts. Ration carefully, make it last. Remember, foraging is key. Your backyard, once a haven for relaxation, becomes your hunting ground. Learn to identify edible plants. Dandelions, clovers, berries. Nature's bounty becomes your lifeline. Remember, knowledge is power. Study survival guides, improvise, adapt. Remember those fishing rods gathering dust? Time to put them to use. Rivers, lakes, oceans, they all hold sustenance. Fish are a valuable source of protein. Traps, nets, or a simple line and hook can mean the difference between life and death. Your throat is parched. Your body screams for hydration. Water is life. Finding it, purifying it becomes your sole focus. The human body can survive weeks without food, but only days without water. Dehydration is a silent killer. Start by locating the nearest water source. Rivers, lakes, even stagnant pools can offer a temporary solution. But remember, never drink untreated water. It could be your last. Boiling is the most reliable method for purification. Find a container, build a fire, and boil the water for at least 1 minute. If you can't boil, find another way. Filtration is key. Improvise filters using layers of cloth, charcoal, sand and gravel. This will remove sediment and some impurities. In a survival situation, every drop counts. Conserve, ration, and never take this precious resource for granted. The sun beats down mercilessly. The wind chills you to the bone. The elements are a constant threat. Shelter is not a luxury, it's a necessity. You need protection from the elements. Start by finding a temporary shelter. Abandoned buildings, caves, even dense foliage can offer respite from the harsh environment. Remember, safety first. Assess your surroundings for potential dangers. Once you have a temporary base, start thinking long-term. Build a more permanent shelter. Use salvage materials from abandoned structures. Learn basic construction techniques. Improvise, adapt. Insulation is crucial. It protects you from both heat and cold. Use natural materials like leaves, moss, and animal fur to line your shelter. A well-built shelter is your fortress against the elements, a place of refuge in a desolate world. Section 5. Echoes of loneliness. The mental struggle. Silence. It's deafening. The absence of human voices, the lack of interaction weighs heavily on your mind. Loneliness is a formidable foe. It can cripple you, break your spirit. You crave connection, a voice, a touch, anything to break the monotony of solitude. Days bleed into weeks. You find solace in routine, in the rhythm of survival. You talk to yourself, sing to the empty air, just to hear a human voice. Your sanity becomes a fragile thing, a precious commodity you must protect at all costs. Remember your loved ones, their memories, their laughter, their love. These are your anchors in the storm. Hold on to them. They are your lifeline to your humanity. Find solace in nature. The rustling leaves, the babbling brook, the chirping birds. They become your companions. Embrace the solitude. Find strength in it, for in the absence of others, you truly discover yourself. Section 6. Taming the wild essential survival skills. Survival is not just about finding food, water, and shelter. It's about adapting, learning, and becoming one with your environment. You must embrace the wild, for it is your new home. Knowledge is your most valuable tool. Learn to build a fire. Fire provides warmth, light, and protection. It can purify water and cook food. Mastering this skill is essential for your survival. Practice until it becomes second nature. Learn basic first aid. Injuries are inevitable. A simple cut can become infected and deadly without proper care. Familiarize yourself with basic wound treatment, splinting, and other essential skills. Navigation is crucial. Learn to read a map, use a compass, and navigate by the stars. You need to be able to find your way back to your shelter, to resources, to potential rescue. These skills are your weapons, your armor in the fight for survival. Embrace them, master them, for they will determine your fate. Section 7, Mastering Solitude Strategies for Mental Fortitude. Loneliness can be a crushing weight, but you are stronger than you think. You can overcome this challenge. The key is to find ways to cope, to maintain your sanity, your hope, establish a routine. This will give your days structure, a sense of purpose. Wake up, find food, tend to your shelter, explore your surroundings, keep your mind and body active, embrace creativity, write, draw, sing, build, express yourself in any way you can. Creativity is a powerful outlet for your emotions, a way to connect with your inner self. Find solace in nature's beauty. Observe the intricate details of a flower, the majesty of a sunrise, the soothing sound of a flowing river. Nature can be a source of peace, a reminder of life's resilience. Remember, you are not alone in your loneliness. Many have walked this path before you, finding strength in adversity. You too can endure. You too can overcome. The silence is deafening. It's not just the absence of noise, but the absence of human connection, of laughter, of conversation. You realize the profound impact of human interaction on your well-being. You yearn for a simple conversation, a shared laugh, a warm embrace. The things you once took for granted now seem like distant dreams. The realization dawns on you. Humans are social creatures. We thrive on connection, on community. You understand the importance of empathy, of compassion, of understanding. You vow to never take these qualities for granted if you ever have the chance to experience them again. The silence has taught you a valuable lesson. It has shown you the true value of human connection, the importance of cherishing every interaction, every relationship. The silence has been your teacher. It has revealed truths you never knew, depths you never explored, and the most profound realization is this: humans are not meant to be alone. We crave connection, interaction, the sharing of experiences. It's woven into our very fabric. We are social creatures. We thrive in communities, in families, in friendships. Loneliness can be a powerful motivator. It can push you to your limits, force you to confront your deepest fears. But it can also teach you the true value of human connection. You cherish the memories of your loved ones, their laughter, their smiles, their words of kindness. These become your treasures. You realize that true strength comes from connection, from belonging, from love. As you navigate your solitary existence, a glimmer of hope emerges. What if you're not truly alone? What if there are others out there facing the same struggles, the same silence? You cling to this hope. It fuels your will to survive, to keep searching, to never give up. You start leaving messages, hoping against hope that someone somewhere will find them. You imagine rebuilding a community, a society from the ashes of the old, a world where human connection is cherished, where empathy and understanding are paramount. The road ahead is long, uncertain, but the possibility of finding others, of rebuilding, of creating a new world keeps you going. It's a beacon of hope in the darkness, a testament to the enduring power of the human spirit. To be the last person on earth is a heavy burden, but it is also a testament to the resilience of the human spirit, the will to survive, to adapt, to overcome. You learn to find joy in the simplest things: a sunrise, a flower in bloom, the sound of rain. You discover a strength you never knew you possessed. You are a survivor. You embrace the silence, the solitude. You learn from it, grow from it. You are no longer afraid of being alone, for you have found strength in your solitude, wisdom in the silence, and so you continue on, one day at a time, facing the unknown with courage, with hope, with the unyielding spirit of a true survivor. For even in the face of unimaginable loss, the human spirit endures.